How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel, and in this video, we are going to be talking about Tesla stock. We're going to go over the main reasons why to buy Tesla stock right now, even though the overall stock market is experiencing a lot of uncertainty. We're going to go over and list the main reasons why a lot of investors are seeing Tesla stock as the best option to buy into right now. We're going to go over and break down the top reasons in this video coming up. As you can see over here, we are sitting at currently for Tesla stock at $1,095. We are down 4.35% for the day. But when you look at a little bit of the big picture, within 5 days, we still have not done anything. We're actually up 1.2%. So as you can see over here for the overall stock market, we had some sectors that experienced massive selling, mainly because of we actually have our first case of the new variant in California. So the stock market is doing pretty well. In the morning days, a lot of stocks were gapping up. And when this news broke out, we had some selling that happened across different sectors. So we're going to go over in detail, talk about exactly why Tesla stock is actually one of the best stocks to buy right now, even though we're experiencing some kind of a down day today. So when you look at the uncertainty that's going on with the overall stock market, one day, these vaccine companies are coming out and saying that they're in control, their vaccines can actually combat this new variant. Another day they're coming and saying that, okay, we actually need more time. So there's a lot of back and forth going on. Still, we have to wait exactly for the scientists to do more research about this new variant for them to specifically say, okay, this is not a dangerous variant. We can definitely be able to provide the vaccines that can combat this specific variant. So we need more time for them to do a lot of research. But so in spite of that, there's a lot of shift ups going on with the overall stock market. So we have some sectors that are getting beat down. Of course, with this new variant, we have the airline stocks are going to get hurt. We have, the cruise lines. We have hotel stocks, travel, tourism. It can potentially get hurt because we have some of the countries are blocking some of the people from traveling from one place to another. In case if you're traveling, let's say for example from South Africa, you're not able to come to the U.S. since there's a variant over there that is spreading. So there's going to be a potential shift of people when they're going to be placing their money right now. So there's been a lot of reports that have been coming out of money actually moving from one sector to another sector. So let's say for example, right now, so we have sectors like the healthcare, mainly because of Pfizer and Moderna, that could potentially see a slight bump up because of this variant that is spreading around the world. Of course, we don't know the detail as of yet, but people and investors are looking to park their money out of this very risky stocks like the airlines and the cruise lines, and they're shifting their money to other stocks. Let's say for example Apple, right? Apple is one of those stocks that have been performing very well, even though when the multiple news came out with the variant, and also Jerome Powell stating that they can potentially stop buying bonds and etc., and even potentially increase interest rates in 2022. The overall stock market took a big hit yesterday, and Apple and Tesla were those stocks that were holding strong. During those time of uncertainty is exactly when you find those handful of stocks that investors are looking to park their money. So in a way, Tesla stock is turning into a defensive type of stock where people are parking their money to protect them because they're having more confidence with Tesla stock compared to other high growth speculative companies that can potentially experience massive sell-off with interest rates being raised and even with this new variant. So there is a lot of uncertainty with that. So but Tesla is one of those defensive stocks that could potentially help investor protect their money because Tesla has a lot of catalysts that can help it to go up. So one of those catalysts being, of course, we have several gigafactories that are set to start producing vehicles. So that is massive. We talked about these two gigafactories in my previous videos. And not only that, we have the Shanghai gigafactory that is going to be expanding. They're hiring employees. They're going to be hiring employees around 4,000, and they have a budget of around $188 million set aside for the expansion of the factory. So keep in mind that with all of this expansion and with this new factories starting to produce vehicles, Tesla delivery are going to go out of this world, and the earnings also is going to be phenomenal. So with that in mind, Tesla is one of those strong stocks that investors are looking at right now to park their money. And we have several analysts, that are coming out recently that increased their price targets. On yesterday's video, we talked about, one of the analysts increased their price target from 1,400 to 1,800. And we also have several analysts that recently stated that they see Tesla stock sitting at $1,400, and the current price that we're sitting at for Tesla stock right now is $1,095. Of course, we still have to wait and see. We still have Elon Musk that has more than 40% of his shares that remaining for him to sell. So we might see some, slow bleed off happening for Tesla stock. But even with that, the stock is holding very strong. And we saw that a lot of investors are seeing Tesla stock as the best alternative from the entire stock market. So that is very, very strong. And that is the main reason why you should definitely hold on to Tesla stock if you're holding it. And if you have not yet, you should definitely look into getting involved with Tesla stock, especially when it is dipping down. If it goes to like $1,000, if it goes below $1,000, that is going to be the best time to buy Tesla stock. When you look at the price action, that's why we're seeing a lot of people jump into Tesla stock, especially when it dipped below that $1,000 mark a few weeks ago when Elon Musk announced that he was going to be selling 10% of his shares. So a lot of people are seeing that Tesla stock is going to be the best stock in the stock market to potentially provide a safety net compared to other high growth stocks. So when you look at the price action for Tesla stock, as you can see over here, the $1,000 mark, that is providing a very solid support right around over here. Even though we have a slight, big red day that we're experiencing today, we still have to wait and see what is going to be developing with this Omicron variant. What are going to be the result of their studies that they're doing right now? They still need more time, of course. And if things get shaken up, we still have confidence that Tesla stock is going to be holding strong because, a lot of investors are seeing this stock as one of the best stocks to buy right now as a defensive play, So that is the best reasons, and that is the top reason to get involved in Tesla stock right now. So let me know also in the comment section below if you agree that Tesla stock is the best stock to buy right now. And we also have rumors about, the stock split that could potentially be announced in 9 days. We'll see how that goes. But let me know if you're going to be buying Tesla stock, if you're going to be holding it, averaging down, if it drops below. I will really want to know in the comment section below. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. And I'll catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.